Let me just check the audio. The sound of this is okay. Now there should not be any background sound. Let me just check once again and then we'll be good to go. Okay, good. That will do. Then okay, let me just open the PDF that we were continuing. So let me just go through everything once again that we were doing in the last stream, and we will be good to proceed ahead. Okay, fine then. There are cold ocean currents on western margins of continent, and these are California current, Humboldt current or Peruvian current. Then we have Canary current. Then we have Benguela current. Then after that we have West Australian current. We have Oyashio current, and obviously Labrador current. Okay, and there are deserts also which are formed on the boundaries or the adjacent regions of these cold ocean currents, and these are the Mojave Desert or the Nevada Desert of Northern America. Then we have Atacama Desert over here. Then we have Patagonian Desert. Then we have Sahara Desert, Namib Desert, Kalahari, Syrian Desert. Then we have Taklamakan, Gobi, Thar, and yeah, that is it for the desert part. Now we will move to important ports. Deen Dayal Port, Kandla Port, just remember Kandla Port. Then we have Mumbai, okay, New Mangalore Port. Then Kamarajar Port is of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Then this is Odisha, Paradip, Kolkata. Okay, fine. Then we have seen important mountain ranges. These are Rockies Mountain. They are fold mountain ranges. Then we have Appalachians Mountain. Let me just go through what are the Appalachians Mountain. Okay, let me just do this, then do this, and okay, we are done. Now let me type Appalachians Mountain. Are they block or fold? Fine. Appalachian Mountains are old fold mountains. Okay, they are old, similar to Urals and Aravallis. Okay, fine. Okay, no problem. Appalachians. Then we have Andes, Atlas, Alps. Then Scandinavian, Urals are known for their mineral deposits. Then we have Himalayas, and obviously that is it. Then we come to the third important map. Let me just check the audio because I am speaking in a low tone. Yeah, it is fine. There is no issue in the audio. Let me just stream the thing into 1080p so that I get sure that the quality is not compromised on this stream. Okay, yeah, we are done now. Okay, now Biosphere Reserve, we have Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve, and here we have Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. So this is what? This is Himachal. This is Uttarakhand, UK. Uttarakhand, Nanda Devi, and Himachal is Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve. Here we have seen this is Rann of Kutch, Great Rann of Kutch. Then in Madhya Pradesh we have two biosphere reserves. They are Panchmahari Biosphere Reserve and Panna Reserve. Panna is known for its tigers and cheetahs also. Then here we have Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve is at confluence of these three states. They are Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve. And these are at confluence of two states, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Here we have Gulf of Mannar. Gulf of Mannar. What is this? Biosphere reserves in India included in UNESCO's World Network of Biosphere Reserves. Okay. Then we have Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve. Seshachalam Hills, it is in Andhra Pradesh. Then we have Amarkantak, Achamar Amarkantak Biosphere Reserve, Madhya Pradesh. It is on the boundary of Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. Then we have Simplipal National Park. It is a biosphere reserve. Even though this is a national park, it is a biosphere reserve. Obviously, everybody knows Sundarbans. Sundarbans is in West Bengal. Then we have Kanchenjunga National Park in Sikkim. Then we have Nokrik. Nokrik is in Meghalaya. Then we have Assam. We have Manas. River Manas also flows. We know that SKTSL. Subhansri Kaming. Not this. Subhansri Kaming, Manas and Teesta. These are tributaries of Brahmaputra. So out of these, Manas is also a national park. Then we have Dibru Saikova and Dihang Dibang. Dihang Dibangs are also, I guess, left bank tributaries of river Brahmaputra. Just remember that. What I'll do is I will revise the entire thing also. Wait, let me just draw this. And here we have SKTSL. From S we have Subhansiri. Then from K we have Kaming. From T we have Teesta. SK. Okay, Teesta. And from here there are main three rivers: Dihang, Dibang, Dhansari. We have Dhansari. Then we have Lohit. And then we have Kopeli. Acha. TSL, SKMT. Acha. Here we have Manas. And then we have Teesta. Manas. And then we have Teesta. So these are the things. So it is like this. Now here we have Manas and Dibru Saikuba, Dihang Dibang. You can see here it is Dihang and here it is Dibang. So yeah, basically it is like this. We need to interconnect the dots, and these are the important biosphere reserves that we need to look through. Just remember that Seshachalam Hills and these Simplipal National Park, these two are also biosphere reserve. Then yeah, in Maharashtra and Rajasthan we don't have any biosphere reserve. Okay, so these are the broad types that we need to know. Now let's come to major grasslands of the world. Okay, major grasslands of the world. Now this is very interesting because I will use Wikipedia and Google Images also to see different types. From light green we have temperate grasslands, and from tropical for dark green we have savanna. Okay, now important thing here to remember is that here there is a divide, and here we have the taiga, and beyond this is tundra. If I'm not wrong, tundra is for cover of full of frost, and taiga are boreal forest, boreal coniferous, and these are the largest biome of our entire planet. Okay, that was the preliminary information that we needed to know. Here we have prairies. Now prairies is very interesting thing. Prairies are similar to steppes. We had covered steppes, if you remember that, in the previous slide when we were studying deserts. Now prairies are just similar to it, but in prairies there are some short grasses, and there are short trees also in between, and these are very much wait, let me just bring up the image. We'll go here, we'll type here prairies. This exercise is even helpful for me also because it will just save it in my visual memory also when I see the images and all. See here, this is what I was talking about. These are the images of prairies. They are just vast areas of land, nothing else. Prairies, okay, prairies. Now we will just see the image of steppes. Steppes, because steppes are also similar to prairies, but it is slightly different. Acha, see, I got confused between the two. Now in this image you can see that in prairies, in steppes there are actually short trees included. What we'll do is we'll just go to Gemini. Let me just open up Gemini. Give me difference between steppe and prairies. Now all the confusion will be sorted within seconds. See, this is the important thing that I am talking about. Key primary location of steppes is Central Asia and Eastern Europe. Eurasia. Acha. So it is not in America. And prairies are in Northern America and Canada. Okay. Climate semi-arid and drier, further away from ocean. And here it is moisture, closer to maritime influence. Okay, not a problem. Then we have grass height. Grass height is short grass, and in prairies we have long grass. Then coming to rainfall here it is lower, and in prairies it is higher. Chestnut oil, traditionally nomadic herding, and okay, fine. Continental factor, okay, I got it. Northern prairies, okay. What is this local build called? Chinook. Okay, fine. Let me just write it in my notes. Where is that page? Where is that page of geography where I include the notes? Yeah, I found it. Now let me just give me a second. Give me a minute actually. Let me just write it in my notes, the difference between steppes and prairies, because this is very important. I hope if anybody is watching this stream, they also pause it and write it down in their notes, the difference between steppes and prairies, because it is highly probable that if the question comes you will be confused. So let me just write Central Asia or Europe, and here prairies is central North America. Then we have climate type semi-arid. Acha, rainfall is lower. Here it is rainfall is lower, and here the rainfall is higher. Then what do we have? Any important short grass? Okay, short grass. Then we have tall grass. Okay, we are sorted. Let us just go through it once and we would be done for it. Brave and steppes. So it is short grass basically, and rainfall is very much lower. You can see it is not very much green in nature. Like, I mean, it is not fully covered with greenery. You can see it. Then yeah, and let me just go through here and write prairies. And in prairies you will see that these are in America, Northern America and Canada. They are complete tall grass, and rainfall is comparatively higher. You can see the level of difference between the two. So okay, one concept is clear. We are sorted for these two. Then we come to prairies. Acha, see, most important, prairies is done, steppes is done. We found the difference between the two. We saw the images also. Here there is comparatively more rainfall, these are comparatively more lush green, and these are comparatively semi-arid and short grass. Okay, so prairies is done. Now let us come to what is this called? Llanos. Let us type it here. Llanos. Let me just have a sip of water. Okay, situated in Venezuela. It is a eco region. Acha. Most east and west Llanos are this. Okay, Guiana Highlands are south. Okay, I got it. Biome is tropical, subtropical.